Ano yung hindi ko ginawa? Ano yung hindi ko na tinuwi mga anak? Ano yung hindi ko? Suwi pumatizik. The two-legged. May way anis na mo when pachigego ang gift. Our language is so sacred and it's so important ever today. We walk out to win our relationships to everything. We always siyak the four-legged game. We kitiganak the plant kingdom. Manichu suck the insect nation. Japanese suck the ones that have wings. Just sa nagat nung gum. Tabnochi man anis we uskat is the anis nung gum. We kantabaw siwak nung gum. Mano kito. Kanani sa sa negative no masi anis nung gum. To see our young people being deprived of the promise to the red man, our nation. Miwe minupumatizewan to walk this good path, the red road for us that was put before us, Mikina, the road. Hindi si kenda mumaya yan nung gum. Niwe chimendan meozanis skunagis uzian kanawanis bagigatuan anis nabemuan. Everybody spoke the language. I remember that as a little boy. Miwe wakutuin. Pachigego miwe. Our relationships to our kinships, our relatives. We see that today in our young people. They've lost their place. They no longer have respect for their aunts and uncles. They try to get them to come back to the lodges. We namisu misapan. Frank Shane is in cause of Sugoi no kuapan. Sarah Kashane is in cause of miwe no kuapananis. But just singing gay. I remember now how nice it was to have our family ties, the relationships we had. Friendships. Our young people now are being led down a road with a false promise. Doesn't matter how much education we get. Doesn't matter if we live by their laws. We just never get it. will never be a white man. We are the Anishinaabe. The Anishinaabe kwe, the Anishinaabe. Just the way the Creator intended us to be, to walk our path, the red road. And it's scary to think now what's happening with the government and with this Land Management Act and all the things that are going on, the Water Management Act and all these things they're governing right to. They're going to legislate us right out to extinction. We'll have no rights. And once they accomplish this, that's when things will get so scary for our people. I pray when that time comes that we'll still have all our ceremonies. We'll still have our songs so that they may sing these in that time to carry them through. This is why it's so important for us to carry on. So miwe nemes so misapan. It was his turn. So miwe nizise adi apananis nizise apan my uncle. It was his turn. Intam mega nungum nintam. It's my turn today. So for me to try carry the language on, that's so important to me. That is in my heart. It's in my being. And people always say, oh, we've lost so much. We haven't lost anything. Everything is still here. Kanagego ma. Mima ton mi where kanagego. So go away in the pit. The water's still here. So mi where is the sun. The Mesumson on a grandfather. He still shines. The grass is still growing. The water's still flowing. So that treaty is still alive. And we have to educate our people to understand what that really means. What does a treaty mean to our young people nowadays? We think we're moving so far ahead with our education and our education systems having all these schools on the reserve. But it scares me because we're depriving them of the truth. What was intended for us. Meozanis, in the time when everything was created. What was given to us and the way we were to follow. And that spark will almost go out, they say. Just be kindling.